Hi there, I'm Hillary Walsh. I'm an immigration lawyer in the United States, and I want to help you. My law firm is New Frontier Immigration Law. You can Google us and find our website, or you can come visit us on Facebook, and then you can also, of course, check out our YouTube channel, New Frontier Immigration Law, so that we can help you sort out all of your immigration questions, because it is a really complicated process and we want to help. So this video is all about if I have been married to a US citizen and I got a conditional residency, what happens next, okay? This is also for people who, what if I got divorced? What if my spouse died before we were able to have the conditions lifted on my residency so that I could get a 10-year green card? Or what if I left my spouse because they were abusive to me, or otherwise our relationship just dissolved, we're separated and no longer together, and he or she is just not going to help me finish this part of the process? What do I do? Okay, so I want to share my screen with you because I find that to be super helpful. Google I-751. That's the USCIS form that you're going to need to fill out. And before we kind of go into this, I want to really reiterate, I am a lawyer, but I'm not your lawyer. So if you need legal advice, don't just watch this video and think that you're set. I'm just going to give you a snippet, but I really want you to call me so I can help you, properly do this, because watching surgery on YouTube is dangerous. The same thing is, this is like watching surgery for your life, for your immigration case on TV, on the internet, and your family and everything else is worth so much more than watching a quick video. So call me so I can help you. But anyway, just so you can get sorted and understand what the system is. The reason you have to remove the conditions on your lawful permanent residency is because when you petitioned, you'd been married for less than 2 years. So if husband and wife are married for less than 2 years and husband is a US citizen and petitions for his immigrant wife, the best outcome that you're going to get is a 2-year conditional residency, okay? Then you have to go in within 90 days of it expiring and ask for USCIS to remove the conditions, show them we are married for love, not for immigration purposes. Please remove the conditions and give me a 10-year green card. And if you are successful, that's exactly what will happen. So there's a filing fee of $680. The filing fee itself is $595. And then the biometrics fee to take your picture and do your fingerprints is $85. Okay, so in total, $680. This gives you instructions right here. And it gives you different scenarios that I think are so helpful to know about, because it really helps. If you fit into this, you know why it's scary. Let's say that your husband or your wife petitioned for you and you got the 2-year lawful permanent residency card and it's going to expire, or it did expire, and before you were able to get your 10-year green card, your spouse died. Okay, this is for you. We can help you. What if you got divorced or annulled before you were able to remove the conditions on your green card? So now your green card is expired or going to expire, and you don't have a relationship, or at least not a marital relationship, with the person who petitioned for you to begin with. This seems like it can be a big problem, and if it's not handled properly, it really, really is. But we can help, okay? And then finally, if you were battered, or otherwise your spouse was really cruel to you, or if you got your green card through your parent, if your parent was really cruel to you, we can help you, okay? Now, if you are still married, you are required to file together within 90 days of your card expiring. So before your card expires, not after, okay? So if it expires in January 2021, you need to file it before January 2021, not 90 days after 2021, okay? And there's a lot of information in here about what kind of evidence you need to submit. But as we were talking about before, it's really just to show them that you got married for love, not for immigration documents, okay? Now, if for some reason you need to file this individually rather than together with your spouse, you're divorced, annulled, the spouse has passed away, or you were battered by them, it's okay if you're outside that 90-day window. Okay, so if for some reason, and the reason I thought to do this video today was because we actually had a young woman who she had married a US citizen and was given a conditional green card for 2 years. And then during that time, she escaped a lot of domestic violence. And her lawful permanent residency expired and she didn't know what to do. And so on an off chance, she just happened to reach out and do a consultation with me to see, is there anything that is left that can be done? Am I ever going to be able to fix this situation? My card expired and the person who petitioned for me is, we're not on good terms. They're really horrible to me. And so I was able to help petition for her. We sent it out today and, God willing, everything's going to go correctly. I don't know why it wouldn't. She's going to get her 10-year green card, even though she's no longer in contact at all with her original petitioning spouse. Okay, so if you know anyone who needs help, who has been granted a 2-year green card, please let them know about this video because we want to help. And most importantly, we want to help you get results. And that's more than watching this video. It's taking action. To give us a call at 623-742-5400 or Google us and send us a message either through Facebook. You can send us a message on Google on our law firm webpage, New Frontier Immigration Law. New Frontier Immigration Law. We want to help take you to your newest frontier, to your next level. You're at the final stage of the race. When it's time for you to remove the conditions on your residency, just don't trip on the last hurdle. Let us help you get across the finish line fabulously. My name's Hillary Walsh. I'm an immigration lawyer in the United States, and I can help you anywhere in the US or in the world. Give us a call.